Managing multiple sensors and devices in your supply chain can feel complex. But what if you could streamline the process with a user-friendly system? Introducing Sensos Sync Sets and Device Configuration, your key to simplified sensor and device management. The Sets and Management tab in Sensos Sync provides a list of all sets you've created. This list displays information like names, destinations, locations, SKUs, and alerts associated with each set. To create a new set, click the plus icon on the top right corner. In the new window, define the following settings. Under Criteria, Shipment Assignment, determine which shipments will be automatically assigned this set based on origin, destination, or flight mode. Under Alert Settings, configure the options according to the alert type: temperature monitoring, shock monitoring, security, or life cycle. Under Label Behavior, Report Frequency, set how often you receive reports while the shipment is in transit and stationary. Under Sensitivity to Movement, select low, medium, or high sensitivity for your sensors. Under GPS, enable, disable GPS location tracking and optimize settings based on your needs. Options include enabling GPS data for opening and shock reports. Define when a shipment is considered complete: upon arrival, scheduled time after arrival, manual confirmation, upon opening after arrival, or battery depletion. Under Notifications, choose who receives alerts, individuals, email lists, etc., and specify the alerts they'll get. Email notifications. Include the email address of the notification recipient. Multiple addresses can be added, separated by commas. Webhook URLs. Specify the target URL to get the notifications directly there. Multiple URLs can be added, separated by commas. Click Save to create the set. Simplify your sensor setup and unlock the full potential of your supply chain data. Visit our website to learn more